Hello everyone, this is Mansi from Touchline. I would like to introduce to you all our interactive flat panel, which is widely used in corporate and educational sector as it has wide number of application and uses. So the panel is mainly made up of three elements, that is display, touch, the video and the audio output. This panel comes in various models and configuration and also supports different operating system. Now I will begin the demo of this interactive flat panel with our most basic software called Note Whiteboard. To make the classes more interesting and attractive, this software comes with an option called Pen, which has 4 modules in it, that is pencil, normal ink pen, a brush pen and a magic pen. You can increase or decrease the width of the tip and change color and style accordingly. Most interesting feature of the pen is the magic pen, which allows one to draw and show its creativity. That is. Then we have the eraser or the magic eraser. You can select or simply just. Then the next is clean all. Next, we have our very own electronical geometry box, which comes with a ruler to set squares and a protractor. It's mostly used for teaching students the importance of such tools. Then we have 2D and 3D shapes. You can also select a color and draw. We have variety of shapes like flag, dotted lines. We have a freehand movement which will help you recognize any shape you draw. You can also change the color. Moving on to 3D shapes like sphere and cuboid. Then comes the table. We can insert a table according to a size and use it. To make the history lessons more interesting, we have the mind map option, which helps the students to break down the matter and learn more easily. To enhance the learning, we have the smart write option, which helps you recognize the text and turn it to a computerized text so the children can learn more effectively. You can also increase the boxes according to your usage and use it. Then we have a teeny tiny option of sticky note. That is, when the user wants to engage the audience with some task, you can simply write a message and leave it here. You can also select the box, move it here and increase its size so it's wide and clear for the audience. The next we have the preview option, that is, while we are writing anything and instead of going on the next page, we can simply select the preview option and use the page to infinity. That is, you can scroll as much as you want. You can write as much as you can zoom in and zoom out. Another interesting feature of this software is the grid. This feature is specially made for students to enhance the handwriting and explain them. For example, I have written a word your flower. As you can see, it is directly converted to smart write option and change the writing. Now I can simply select the feature and change the text color and also search the text, which will lead you to the browser, and I can browse my images and select my picture. Now what makes this interesting is you can crop the image here and import it directly into my whiteboard. The image is being imported here, and now I can annotate on this image teaching, and once the use is done, we can simply select and delete the image and clear the screen. Next, we have the menu. It helps us to open a new image or a new page. I will save this page, and this page will be saved in my notes here. Then I can import any external image from my storage or cloud drive. I can also import a PDF, and I can also export any image or PDF from this whiteboard. Now I can save all of my work in my cloud storage, that is Google Drive or OneDrive. I can change the theme and the background of my whiteboard depending on my usage. I have music notes, basketball and tennis court. I can also change the background color. I can also send my note file via email to anyone by just setting up my email ID here. Then comes settings. I can change my eraser from normally erasing to selecting it and erasing it. I can also type multi-finger writing. It basically means two people can access the board at the same time. If I close the option, it will only access one touch at a time, and when I touch with two fingers, it will zoom in and zoom out. I can also customize my toolbar by choosing the options which I require and which I don't. Pen, select and erase are permanent options and cannot be removed or added. Rest all you can change according to your convenience. Whatever work you have done, any amount of PDFs and PPTs you have worked on, you can simply share it by clicking on share. And a QR code will be generated. Now all you have to do is scan the QR code. Once you scan the code, all the files on the whiteboard will be transferred to your mobile phone. Moving on to the next, we have the side panel. In the three dots, we have the main split screen. Split screen basically allows us to use Note and browse any other application simultaneously while using the one. I have opted here for browser. I can use my Note as well as browser. I can swap the screen according to my usage. Now you can either bring the image via crop to the smart board, or you can simply choose the annotation pen, select the color and explain here. Next we have the timer. Suppose you are assigning a task or any test to students, you can simply set the timer here and leave it, and when the time is up, it will ring. For instance, here I am setting a timer for 5 seconds and start. Now as soon as my time is up, the bell rings stating the time is over. Previously, I have shown you how to transfer a file from panel to the phone. Now I will show you how to transfer the file from phone to the panel. Simply select the fast file transfer. You can scan the QR code and you will be led to a page which will allow you to transfer a text, video, a photo or even a PDF or PPT from the phone to the panel. Now I have transferred here some. I can either save it in my local disk or I can insert it in whiteboard. And I can annotate on it. Then next I can either delete or simply open the image in the Finder. So the next feature is screen share. Once scan the QR code from your mobile, you can install the app called Exceed Share and we can enter the PIN code here. One thing you should make sure is the panel and the device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once the phone is connected, you can either cast your whole phone or only a video or a picture, or you can also transfer file from your phone to the panel. Now what makes us apart from the crowd is the feature called remote screen. Once you click on start, your control of the panel is on phone. I can navigate anywhere from here. And when I want to close, I can simply click on close, OK, and now no longer the phone is connected to the panel. Now speaking about the camera, we have two models. One is with inbuilt camera and 8-array microphone and another one is without camera. If you need a camera, you can simply attach a webcam to it and use it. Otherwise, you can have an inbuilt camera and microphone. So this was all about our interactive flat panels. Please feel free to contact us for further details and a detailed demo. These are the available sizes 55, 65, 75 and 98 inches. Thank you.